Welcome to my YouTube channel APK Engineering. Today we will discuss about STL tutorial. This is the first tutorial about STL language. So first today we will discuss about AND and OR operation, and first we will write logic in ladder language, then we will write logic in STL language. First of all, here we have created two FCs. First one is basic STL programming and second is basic ladder programming. So first of all we will open the FC2. So we already written the ladder for AND operation. So we have two inputs, M0.0 and M0.1. So if both are connected in series, the FC2 which we have written in, so go to online. Now we are in online mode now. Okay, now we will turn on M0.0. Now we have turned on M0.0 and now M0.1. so M0.2 output on. Let me turn off the M0.1. so the output of the M0.2 is off. Okay, this is the basic simple logic in ladder. Okay, now we will open the blocks of FC1 STL language in STL language. Okay, so open a new network. So AND operation in STL. Okay, so first we will write M0.0, M0.1, now M0.2. We have written logics in STL, so download it. Now we can see this is RLO, STA and standard. Okay, now M0.0. so we have to turn on M0.0, right? So there is RL and ST is 1. Okay, next M0.1 should on, then this is the M0.11, so output is 1. If I turned off M0.0, so M0.2 is 00. Okay, so this is the basic AND operation. Now we will write logic for OR operation. First we will write in ladder, then we will write in STL. Okay, so of ladder. Okay, we will write OR operation ladder. Okay, then we will like this. We will take one NO in parallel, right? M0.3, M0.4, M0.5. This is basic logic for OR operation. So save and download. Now monitor. So first we will perform here like this. So we have two inputs which is connected in parallel. So first we will on M0.3 here. So output will on. Okay, turned off M03, output will off. Now we will on M04 is on, M05 is on. Now M0.4 off, M0 off. Okay, now let me write in STL. Add new network, OR operation, STL. Okay, so first we will write O M0.3 O M0.4 okay, M and equal to M0.5. We have written in STL. Now save, download and monitor, right? So first we will turn on M0.3. So M0.3 should on, then M0.3 is on and M0.5 on. Turn off M03, again M0.4 on, M0.5 on. Okay, this is the OR logic or operation in STL.